Yes. Wait. Nope. Warning. Warning to people. Nope. Yes. I know some people have a strong opinion on AI, but if you use it in the right way, then you can probably make better art, better stuff, better everything. But if you don't, that's just your stuff, not mine. I'm only saying this because some of you might just put hate comments for some reason. So please, I'm just making this video because yes, I know, been a while, and I really need to post something because my social life is not really that best. I really don't know why, but I just do random stuff. I do random things, guy. So yeah, onto the video. Okay, I know I haven't made a video in a while. That's because animated series and coding. Why am I on ChatGPT? It's because it's helping me code. Like, I'm saying, like, yeah, AI, I'm just pressing like stuff that I actually need. Like, let me scroll all the way up. Cause it's a tie, and I really want to do both as well now. So, this is the first message. How do I make a game? Then I said this game is going to be on Roblox, and it's based off of my animated series, which is still in the makings. And I do want it to be on like mobile, so yeah. Yeah, that's Fragment One's full name. Let let's just let's I I'm I'm surprised. Like, why does it know Forsaken and Dead by Daylight, but not Die of Death? That does not make any sense. Yeah, it's confusing. Yeah, Fragment 1 is going to be a killer. The whole crew is going to be a killer. Plus one background character, which is the second one I talk about. Yeah, so yeah. Oh wait, not the next one. Teapot Guy, the group healer. Why did I say 1 minute? Let's not question it. Yeah, I literally just pressed like the copy feature, which yes, I'm on mobile. Everything I do is on mobile. Jesus, my nose. Yeah, Altitude, which is the background character, because barely anything is known about him. Yeah, every killer is going to have a ability called Breakdown. Cause Breakdown is where you just grab a piece of the map and just throw it at one of the survivors. Yeah, not really a good ability, but their M1s, I promise, will look good in like the 5th or 7th update. Yeah, didn't say 6th or, you know, like the 5th or 7th update, the animations will be updated. Yeah. And yes, there are going to be counters to every killer. You'll see that in like quite a bit. So the first update, which is when the game comes out, is going to have um yeah, I actually need help here like a whole bunch cuz you know me, I never really coded before. One of my characters is named Code. All right. What am I? No. The first update is going to have 3 killers and 2 survivors. I know, very unbalanced, but 2 of them are counters. Yeah, I wanted to like make sure mobile doesn't, lag like I usually do. Yeah. Um. Yeah. Thank you, ChatGPT, for being helpful. And thank you for some of the tips. Yeah. And yes, I do have a lot more killers, but those will come in later updates. Yeah, Practical is the first survivor. A direct counter to Fragment 1, which I don't really know their abilities, and yes, they go by they them. Yeah. And I did need help creating like the next survivor. Stealth. You're really important design. Your important design moment here. The the next survivor you create will define how players will either stealth, altitude, or pressures less fire flames. Both good. Yeah. Descriptions, but they create very different gameplay. Not difficult. Why did I say difficult? Why me? Why did me do that? I'll show you one strong option for each, and yeah. All right, so counter to Alto is, which is a stealth killer, which yes, I know. Alto strengths is invisibility, surprise attack, and move through walls. He's a background character. My favorite background character of mine. And yes, I'm going to be biased to my own background character. Yeah, so survivor concept is observer, the one who sees what shouldn't be seen. It even mentioned the mention of freeze. Small upgrade idea. Very cool option. Why me? Why me stutter? You mentioned Flames has a girlfriend named Freeze. You could make the survivor connected to Freeze. Not necessarily, not EA Sports. Not necessarily her, but a a partner, or someone using her tech/powers that builds your world naturally. My nose. Sorry about that. My nose. Yeah. Design observer drugs. Yeah. Because I'm very interested in observer. Because, you know. Yeah. Why am I giving them like random names? Because their names are not final. Well, the killers are, not the survivors. No, wait. Yeah. Yeah. There's like a